Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you about safety and first aid. All of you know that safety is very important because most of the accidents occur due to our carelessness. So we should keep ourselves safe and be careful everywhere. So safety that should be followed at different places is, you can see, use zebra crossing to cross road, always walk on the footpath, do not get in or out of a moving bus, do not jump on the benches, do not climb on shelf, do not run down the stairs, do not throw books on each other, do not keep sharp edged things, don't leave the toys here and there, don't lean out of a moving bus. So these are the different safety measures that should be followed at different places. Now for safety rules that should be followed on road, there are some road signs. You can see here that the first one is to one-way sign, no U-turn, no horn, zebra crossing, no parking, no entry, no pedestrian, no left turn, no right turn, and speed breaker. So these are the road signs that should be followed while riding on a road. Now safety from fire. Fire is very dangerous thing, though it is very useful because fire is used to cook food, fire is also used to keep us warm. But in spite of all this, it is also very dangerous for us. Many times fire occurs due to electrical faults or unsafe use of matchsticks, petromax, candles, kerosene oil, and firecrackers. Sometimes fire may also cause due to gas leakage in kitchen. So how can you prevent from fire? We should handle matchsticks carefully. We should avoid wearing nylon or synthetic clothes while going to kitchen. Electrical wirings should be checked regularly. Gas leakage also should be checked at regular interval of times, and small children should not light firecrackers themselves. So these are the measures by which you can prevent yourself from fire. But if fire occurs due to different causes, like if the fire is caused due to burning of wood, so it can be extinguished by throwing water over it. Whereas the fire that is caused due to petrol or due to electric circuit, short circuit, it can be extinguished by using fire extinguishers. But if a person's cloth catches fire, at that time you should first stop, then drop, and then roll yourself on the ground, or you can cover the body with a blanket to extinguish the fire. Okay children, today only this much. We'll continue tomorrow in the next video.